Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you how to disable multi-factor authentication for all users in Salesforce. So, as you can see on screen, I have already opened Firefox tab and I'm trying to log in using this credential into my Salesforce, and I will click on login. As MFA is already enabled, it is asking me to approve the login request using the Salesforce Authenticator app. Now the steps to disable this MFA for all user in Salesforce is, first of all, you have to log in into system admin profile and search for, you have to go to setup and search for identity verification. Click on identity verification, and under multi-factor authentication you have to disable this first option, which is require multi-factor authentication for all direct UI login to your Salesforce, or you have to disable this option. So I will disable it. Click on save. Once it is saved, I will go back to my Firefox window. I will this window tab and click on new tab, and will try to log in again. As my credentials are already saved on the browser, I will log in, and let's see if it is disabled or not. As you can see on screen, multi-factor authentication for the user is disabled by doing this setting. So let me remind you once again what we have to do. We have to search for identity verification and click on identity verification. After that, under multi-factor authentication, we have to disable this first option, which is require MFA for all direct UI login to your Salesforce org. That's it in this video. Thank you very much.